Demolition and Deconstruction Techniques. Hello folks, welcome to today's lesson on Demolition and Deconstruction Techniques, where we will explore the vital aspects of carrying out these processes safely and efficiently. This lesson is aimed at equipping you with a comprehensive understanding of demolition and deconstruction safety considerations, as well as the operating techniques used in these fields. In the construction industry, the removal or dismantling of structures can be broadly categorized into demolition and deconstruction. Demolition refers to the process of tearing down buildings or other structures, often using heavy machinery such as wrecking balls, explosives, or bulldozers. On the other hand, deconstruction involves carefully taking apart a building piece by piece to preserve valuable materials, often for reuse or recycling. Illustration suggestion: here is a video showcasing different types of demolition and deconstruction methods which can be helpful for your visual learning context. Importance of safe practices. Both demolition and deconstruction pose significant risks due to the nature of the work involved. Therefore, understanding and applying proper safety measures is crucial in preventing accidents and ensuring the safety of workers and the environment. Demolition and deconstruction safety considerations. Planning and preparation, site assessment. Before any demolition or deconstruction activity begins, a thorough assessment of the site must be conducted. This includes identifying potential hazards, evaluating structural conditions, and understanding environmental concerns. Permits and regulations. Compliance with local, state, and federal regulations is mandatory. This involves obtaining necessary permits and adhering to specific guidelines related to noise, dust, waste management, and more. Emergency preparedness. Having an emergency response plan is essential. All workers should be familiar with evacuation routes, emergency contact numbers, and first aid procedures. Protective equipment and training. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Workers must wear appropriate PPE, including helmets, gloves, safety glasses, and high-visibility clothing, depending on the nature of their tasks. Training and certification. Proper training on equipment operation, safety protocols, and hazard recognition is essential. In certain cases, workers may need specific certifications for handling explosives or operating heavy machinery. Environmental considerations. Dust and debris control. Implementing measures to control dust and debris is crucial to minimize health risks and environmental impact. This might include the use of water sprays or barriers. Hazardous materials. Identifying and properly managing hazardous materials such as asbestos, lead, or chemicals is vital to protect workers and the environment. Operating techniques for demolition and deconstruction. Controlled demolition techniques. Controlled demolition involves strategically dismantling parts of a structure to ensure safety and efficiency. This can be achieved through various methods. 1. Implosion, using explosives to collapse a building within its footprint. This method requires precise planning and execution. 2. Wrecking ball. An older method involving a heavy ball swung by a crane to exert force on a building structure. 3. High reach arm, used for taller structures. This method employs a long mechanical arm equipped with crushers, shears, or hammers. As you can see in the diagrams and videos showing different controlled demolition techniques included here for your better understanding. Deconstruction methods. Deconstruction is a more sustainable approach that focuses on material recovery and reuse. Some common deconstruction methods include: 1. Selective dismantling, carefully removing specific components, for example, doors, windows, fixtures for reuse or salvage. 2. Manual takedown. Workers use hand tools to disassemble structures, usually starting from the roof to the basement. 3. Mechanical deconstruction, utilizing machinery like excavators with attachments designed to dismantle structures while preserving materials. Section 4. Practical applications and case studies. Examining real-world applications and case studies of demolition and deconstruction projects can provide valuable insights into best practices and innovative techniques. Case Study 1: Urban Building Demolition. This case study examines the controlled demolition of an urban office building, highlighting the importance of precise planning and coordination in minimizing impact on surrounding areas. Case Study 2: Sustainable Deconstruction Project. Here, we explore a project focused on maximizing material recovery through deconstruction, emphasizing the role of sustainability and reducing waste. In conclusion, understanding demolition and deconstruction techniques is crucial for ensuring safety, efficiency, and sustainability in the construction industry. By prioritizing safety considerations, utilizing appropriate operating techniques, and learning from practical applications, professionals can contribute to safer and more environmentally friendly practices. Here is a summary of demolition and deconstruction techniques. Demolition techniques. 1. Mechanical demolition using heavy machinery such as excavators, bulldozers, and cranes to demolish structures. 2. Explosive demolition using explosives to demolish structures, often used for large or complex projects. 3. Hydraulic demolition using hydraulic excavators and attachments to demolish structures. 4. Selective demolition, demolishing specific parts of a structure while preserving other areas. Deconstruction techniques. 1. Hand deconstruction, manually dismantling structures using hand tools and equipment. 2. Mechanical deconstruction, using mechanical equipment such as excavators and cranes to deconstruct structures. 3. Component reuse, reusing building components such as doors, windows, and flooring. 4. Material recycling, recycling building materials such as concrete, steel, and wood. Safety considerations. 1. Risk assessment, conducting thorough risk assessments before demolition or deconstruction projects. 2. Personal protective equipment, ensuring workers wear personal protective equipment such as hard hats, gloves, and safety glasses. 3. Structural integrity, ensuring the structural integrity of the building during demolition or deconstruction. 4. Environmental protection, protecting the environment by containing dust, noise, and other pollutants during demolition or deconstruction. Thank you for participating in this lesson on demolition and deconstruction techniques. We hope it provides valuable insights and knowledge that you can apply in your professional activities. Remember, adopting safe and sustainable practices is beneficial for both people and the planet. See you again in the next lesson. Happy learning, folks!